Hey, come in for a moment. I want to talk to you the way I wish someone had talked to me before I upgraded my TV experience forever. Because the first time you power on the Q7F, it doesn't just light up a room, it changes the way you see your space, your evenings, even the way you unwind. This is for the person who notices detail. The person who can tell when colors feel washed out, when motion isn't quite right, when sound feels thin. You're someone who values immersion, clarity, and that feeling of stepping into another world the moment you hit play. You're done with good enough. You want a display that respects your taste. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. These 65-inch models swing in and out faster than people expect. You probably reached that upgrade moment the same way I did. Your old TV looked fine during the day, but at night the blacks turned gray, the highlights blew out, and action scenes felt like a blur. You kept pushing through, telling yourself it wasn't worth upgrading yet. Then one night you realized you've outgrown compromise. And once that thought hits, there's no going back. Switching to the Q7F feels like stepping out of a fog. The picture sharpens. Motion smooths out without that artificial look. The quantum panel hits you with depth you weren't used to seeing. Suddenly you're noticing details in movies you've already watched 5 times. And you catch yourself thinking, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Using it day after day becomes a ritual. Late-night binge sessions where the colors stay rich and alive. Big game nights where the brightness and motion feel fast and natural. Even quiet mornings with YouTube or background content feel elevated because the display just looks clean, crisp, and intentional. The sound wraps around you enough that you don't immediately reach for a sound bar. And the Vision AI features. They make the whole experience feel tailored, almost aware of your space. Check the price again now, before stock shifts or weird jumps make you delay it longer than you want. If you're hesitating because you're thinking, do I really need something this advanced? You'll understand the moment you see it in your room. It's not just about specs. It's about presence. It's about a screen that makes you feel something every time you use it. And the surprise benefit is how it transforms even simple content. Reality shows, vlogs, old videos, they all look new again. Owning something like this brings a quiet pride. You don't just own a TV, you own a centerpiece. Something that tells you that you choose quality, that you appreciate experiences that feel premium, that you're willing to invest in what elevates your everyday life. You'll love the vivid depth, the smooth motion, the room-filling sound, the clean interface, the way every scene feels more intentional. The downsides. You'll spend longer than planned watching content, and every smaller screen in your house will suddenly feel outdated. And if you're looping through comparisons right now, pause. Deep down, you already know which one feels right. At some point you choose the one your mind keeps coming back to. So check the link, see today's price, and bring home the Q7F. It's the kind of upgrade you remember every single night you turn it on.